Hello, my name is Keith Reimer, and this is my AI agent for assignment 1. I chose to do a simple reflex agent, and so basically all this agent does is it will traverse through a maze and try to find one of the 3 buttons, and when it finds one of the 3 buttons, it will exit out of the editor, or the play mode. I chose 3 buttons instead of 1 because when I only had 1, it was taking a very long time for it to figure out how to get to that 1 button. And because it's a simple reflex agent, it doesn't really have a path or given destination. It just moves around its environment based off of the code presented by it. And so having 3 of the buttons makes it slightly easier, but it still takes a very long time for it to find at least one of the 3 buttons. And for the code, I will go through it very quickly. Basically, we just have our simple AI speed, a string that decides the choice of the AI, random turns, and a turn counter to determine how randomly the AI should turn every 5 seconds. And then we have game object view and front view. These are just basically the ray cast, or like how the AI sees in front of it. Just a basic start method that takes in a blank choice, random turns equals false, and turn count 0. And then for our update method, we set view to equal the wall detection method. Basically, it takes an array cast. The array cast points forward. The array cast points forward based off of the box, and then it takes it calls front view, and it determines if it has hit a game object collider, and if the tag of the given object that's being hit is a wall, it says wall detected. Otherwise, it's a button, and it should return either wall or button depending on which one triggers. If none of these are true, it just returns false. And when the view is given and set, it calls upon the method AI decisions method, takes in the parameter view. Basically, it takes in the game object of view, and in doing so, it checks to see if it's null. If it returns null, like as shown here, it will only move forward and it'll perform the action choice, which is move forward. The perform action takes in a string given action, and if the given action is move forward, it will transform and move forward. So it'll keep moving forward. It also calls upon turn rando. This enumerator turn rando basically just turns the AI randomly every 5 seconds, and it only does it once every 5 seconds. That way it doesn't overdo it or it doesn't turn too much. But then we have the next decision we have is button. If the raycast picks up the button and it touches it, it performs the action. It should exit out of the editor or the play mode. Otherwise, if it's neither null nor it's a button, which means that if it's detecting a wall, it will then randomly turn. It'll randomly rotate left or right, and this only happens when it's a wall. Otherwise, it'll just keep moving forward. And that's basically the simple breakdown of the code. This is just the perform action to rotate it randomly. I went over everything, and now I will show a small amount of gameplay. The speed can be changed in the inspector here. 10 is the normal. I think if you want like faster results, 15, 20 should give you that. It might break the game, but seems like we're having a bit of an issue here. This is line 99. Oh, it should not have broken there. Sorry about that. Okay, there we go. My apologies on that one. It's probably just a debug accident. Something must have changed. But as you can see, it works. It's rotating left and right. It's trying to find it's just moving wherever it goes, because as a simple reflex agent, it just transverses through the environment based off of the given code or script it's given to move around it. As in, it doesn't have a pathway. It doesn't remember what it's doing. It's just following a simple task and trying to perform it to the best of its ability. And as of right now, it seems like it can't seem to get out of this small corner here. Up, and it went right back to the beginning. But as we can see here, it doesn't really know what it's doing. It's just doing what it's told to do in terms of just moving around. I'm hoping it actually gets out of this. If not, I'll probably have to move it over to one of the buttons and show you that once it reaches the button, it should exit out. Let's see. Will it get out? Maybe. Probably not. Wait. Oh, I got out. And it got stuck again. Wait. Oh. Okay, it seems like, okay. Wait. Uh-oh. And I think it got stuck again. It keeps getting stuck in the small corner. He's turning right and then he gets stuck. Oh wait, he just got out. Wait. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah. But see, that happens, and oops, goes in there. Let's see what happens when we move it over here. And we just get it to touch it. Close up. And we play. It should exit out of the editor. See? It just exit right out. It exit right out. But yeah, that is my AI. This is my simple Reflex agent for assignment 1. Sorry about that debug issue, but easy fix. Want to change the speed? You can. You can do like 20. It'll probably break the game, but yeah, you see, it just went straight through it like at the very beginning. But other than that, yep, that's my agent.